Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2016 Kia Sedona, which is the van, and I'm going to go over where you would find the fuses on your vehicle. So we've got this cover here. It tells us there's fuses there. This is where your left knee would be on the driver's side. You just got to pull this cover off, and right inside here is all the fuses that are on the interior of the vehicle. We have a master switch and we have all the fuses. And right on the bottom, if you hold this up like that, you can see what the fuses run. And so if you're looking for one that you feel that your heated mirror is not working, you can check. This one's the heated mirror. It should have a 10 amp fuse. And so it would be that one right there. And so you could remove that and replace it with a new fresh one. But make sure that you keep it within the amperage, that it's only a 10. Don't go any bigger than that. You want to replace them with the same exact ones that you pull out. But you have your sheet here that tells you what to look for when you need to do that. So that's the one in the engine bay. Then when you're done there, you can put the cover back on. And this is the fuse box that's in the engine bay. This fuse box is in the engine bay. It's right on the driver's side or the left side of the vehicle. And so you've got a tab on the back and we've got a tab on the front that we need to just just pull the tab and then pull the cover up, and you'll see all the fuses that are in here and relays. And we have the same diagram on the back here that gives us what they all do. So we can see that this relay here runs the cooling fan, and this one runs the second cooling fan, and just all these. And you also have a fuse puller on this one that you can put in, squeeze, and pull out the fuses. They got a small end and a big end for the bigger fuses. So, but put your fuse puller back. And this also has, see, we've got spares here. So all these fuses right here are spares. So if you have a fuse that blows out, you have at least one spare for each size. And so that way you'll know if you're trying to diagnose something, you can pull out that fuse, and if that fuse is burnt and you put a new one in and it pops, well then you're going to have to find what your short is and what's causing the issue that it keeps blowing the fuse. But once you're done with that, then you would just take the cover back, get it back into place, and then press it back in and let it snap into place. So that's where you find your fuses on your 2016 Kia Sedona. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.